Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Webmin on AlmaLinux 9. First, check for any pending system updates. Next, add the Webmin repository to your list of repositories. Open a text editor like Nano or VI. Add the following content. Continue by adding the GPG key to the Webmin repository. Then, install Webmin. Once the installation is complete, enable the Webmin service and configure it to start automatically on system boot. Run the following commands. After that, open the port for Webmin. Now, to access Webmin, go to the following URL from your web browser. Log in to the Webmin web interface using your root user and password. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the Webmin dashboard. Finally, you have completed the installation and configuration of Webmin on AlmaLinux. Now, you can easily manage your Linux system through a friendly web interface.